Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to item fields customization in Zoho Books. So let's start. Open your Zoho Books, go to the left hand side and you can see the all option is available. Just click on the second option items, then click on the items and you can see the list of item is displayed. Okay, to create new item, go to the right hand side and click on the new option to create new item. And you can see you just enter your all details and click on the save to create new item. So these are the fields: name, unit, selling price, accounts, cost price, accounts, and etc. So here I'm going to add the new fields SKU. Okay, let's see how it's add. I just close this, leave and start. And again, I click on this three dot for more action right hand side and click on the preference settings option. And here in second tab, the fields customization, here you can see the selling price, purchase price, status is showing active and SKU showing the status inactive. I just click on this arrow and click on the mark as active. Okay, the preference has been saved. Okay, if you want to add a new field, just click on the new custom field and you can add here your label name, data type, and click on the yes. And you can create your new field also for create your item. Okay, I just close these settings and now I go to the again create new item option, and here you can see the SKU fields is added to create new item. So that's it. This is the way you can customize your field of item in Zoho Books. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.